Hello and welcome back to the second pattern of my Jade Serenity Spa Set, the Soap Savers. If you are interested in the first pattern, the facial scrubs, I will add the link in the description down below. For this pattern you will need Aran worsted weight yarn, crochet hooks, beads, scissors and stitch marker. To start this pattern, make a slip knot and chain 11. Chain 10 plus 1 turning chain. If you are interested in a written pattern, you can find it on my blog for free. I will add the link in the description down below. Mark the last chain with your finger, chain another one, and work one single crochet in the chain you just marked with your finger. Add the stitch marker to the first single crochet and work 2 more single crochets in the same chain space. Now continue working 1 single crochet into each of the next 8 chain spaces. Insert your needle through the chain, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through both loops on your hook. Now when you're at your corner stitch or the last chain, work 3 more single crochet into this chain space. Now we will rotate our work so that we can work on the other side of our foundation chain. Work 8 single crochet on the other side or on the bottom of our foundation chain. Be very careful to not skip a stitch. Work it slow and steady. There is no rush. You have all the time in the world. Work your last single crochet and make a slip stitch into the first single crochet of this round. Count it again to make sure you have 22 stitches in total. This is how your base should look like after finishing row 1. Row 2 will be very easy because we are just going to work 1 single crochet into each single crochet from the previous round. Chain 1, work a single crochet into the first stitch and place a marker. Work one single crochet into every stitch around. At the end of round 2, you should have 22 stitches. Work a slip stitch into your first single crochet. Chain 3. This chain 3 counts as 1 half double crochet plus chain 1. Yarn over, skip the next single crochet and work a half double crochet into the next single crochet. Chain 1, yarn over, skip the next stitch and work a half double crochet into the next stitch. Repeat chain 1, skip a stitch and 1 half double crochet into the next stitch all the way around. Skip one stitch, find the second chain and work a slip stitch into it. Round 4, chain 3. This counts as 1 half double crochet plus chain 1. Skip the chain space and work 1 half double crochet into the half double crochet from the previous round. Chain 1, skip the next chain 1 space and work 1 half double crochet into the half double crochet from the previous round. Repeat round 4 until you have reached the desired height you need for your soap. For round 13, chain 1. This does not count as a single crochet, and work a single crochet into the same space. Work another single crochet into the chain 1 space and the single crochet into the half double crochet from your previous round. Continue working 1 single crochet into every half double crochet and 1 single crochet into every chain space from your previous round. At the end of the round, you should have 22 stitches in total. Join with a slip stitch into your first single crochet. For round 14, work 1 single crochet into every single crochet from your previous round. Join with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. For round 15, we are going to work these little shell stitches all around. Chain 1, single crochet 2 stitches into the same space. 1 and 2. Chain 1 and work 2 more single crochet into the same space. Now you have created this little shell stitch. Let's work another one. Skip the next single crochet and work 2 single crochets, chain 1 and 2 single crochet into the same space. Now you have created this little shell stitch. Let's work another one. Skip the next single crochet and work 2 single crochets, chain 1 and 2 single crochet into the same space. Skip the next stitch and work another shell stitch into the next stitch. 2 single crochets, chain 1 and 2 single crochets. Work these little shell stitches until you have reached the end of the round. At the end of the round you should have 11 shell stitches. I'm working here my last shell stitch. Now we are going to join with a slip stitch into our first single crochet. Now we are finished with our soap saver. Break your yarn and weave in all your ends. The next thing we are going to work is our little drawstring. With the smaller size crochet hook, chain 6D or the desired length you need to create a drawstring that's long enough to weave it through your little bag and close it. I'm working a little knot at the end of the drawstring, and also on the other side, I'm just pulling it tight so that it won't come undone. And then I'm starting to weave it through the last half double crochet round of this pouch. After you're finished, you can either tie a knot at the end of the drawstring or add a wooden bead like I'm doing. I'm threading it through a little tapestry needle, and then I'm tying a knot at the end of the yarn so that it won't fall off. And then you're finished with your little soap saver. This pattern took me an hour to crochet, so it would be a really last minute and fast gift if you want to gift it for someone, or you can make it for yourself. With the facial scrubbies, they would be a perfect addition for your spa days. When you like this video and stayed until the end and beared with my really weird pronunciation, thank you so much. If you like to want to see more from me, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Stay healthy and I will see you next time. Bye.